This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat on a GMC Acadia. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll need a new thermostat, gasket, a drain pan, and a basic wrench set. Locate the thermostat housing, usually near the upper radiator hose. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. Once prepared, place a drain pan beneath your radiator. Open the drain petcock and remove the radiator cap to allow the coolant to drain completely. This prevents spills and ensures a cleaner workspace. After draining, use a wrench to loosen the clamp on the upper radiator hose. Carefully disconnect the hose from the thermostat housing, being mindful of any remaining coolant. Now you can access the housing. With the hose disconnected, unbolt the thermostat housing. Carefully remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Take time to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the housing and the engine block. This step is vital for preventing future leaks. Now, install the new thermostat, ensuring it's oriented correctly, and place the new gasket. Reattach the housing bolts and tighten them securely. After installing the new thermostat, reconnect the upper radiator hose and securely close the radiator drain petcock. Now, refill your cooling system with the correct coolant mixture. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature, checking for any leaks around the new thermostat housing. Top off the coolant as needed. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic robot vacuum and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.